Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Dogs coin. Now, if you're looking to buy this token, it's quite easy. Open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link is in the description of the video. Once here, you can easily find its price, the contract address. So copy this contract address for later. And when you scroll down a bit more towards the market section, you can find where this token is being traded. Now we have Binance, we have StoneFi, and we have OKX. So in the video, I will be showing you how to work with OKX and StoneFi to get yourself some Dogs token. All right, minimize and open up the OKX platform. Click on OKX and open it up. And if you wish to purchase or to buy yourself some dog tokens, you're going to need to deposit cryptocurrency. Now, you could click on deposit crypto and easily deposit cryptocurrency in your OKX account, depending on the cryptocurrency of your choice, such as the Ethereum, the USDT, the Bitcoin, or any other cryptocurrency. And you could also use the P2P trading option that is provided to simply trade your local currency for cryptocurrency, which would then be deposited in your OKX account. All right. So once you've gotten yourself some crypto, all you need to do to get yourself some dogs is click on the trade icon here, which is at the bottom of the screen. Click on trade. And then where we have Sol USDT at the top, click on Sol USDT and simply search for dogs. So search for dogs. That's the Dogs USDT. Click on Dogs USDT. Enter, instead of a limit order, select a market order, which helps us buy at the current price of the market. Enter the amount of dogs you wish to buy, or in USDT, let's go with 1,000 US dollars worth of dogs, meaning we'll be getting a significant amount of dogs, and then simply click on buy. So once you've clicked on buy, the dogs will then be deposited in your assets menu at the bottom right. So all you need to do is scroll through your list of assets and you'd find it here. All right, guys, that's how you can get it on the centralized exchange. For the decentralized being our Ton Keeper, open up your Ton Keeper, which is a Web3 wallet. And now once it's opened, make sure you have some Ton coin for your transactions, as Ton coin is the major network on this wallet. So you're going to be using this Ton coin to cover all your gas fees and transaction fees. So if you click on Ton, click on receive, you could easily receive this Ton via QR code or the wallet address. And then you receive your Ton coin and then use it to cover your gas fees. And if you do not have an option of receiving, you could click on the buy option to simply buy your Ton from any of the exchanges that are provided. All right. So once you've gotten yourself some Ton coin, in order to get the dogs, all you need to do is simply click on the browser option. Once there, scroll through and simply find the DeFi section, stun.fi. Click on stun.fi, and once the web opens up, make sure your wallet is connected by clicking on the wallet connect at the top right, and you'll find the option to connect your wallet. All right. So now where we have Ton, you're going to be sending Ton and you're receiving USDT. Click on the USDT drop down and paste the contract address we had copied from CoinMarketCap. And now select the dogs token. And now in place of 0.12, we're going to be receiving 557 dogs. All you need to do is simply click on swap and then click on confirm swap, and the transaction is done. And if you head back, you'd find your dogs right here on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.